In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to transform images into epic videos with Luma AI. So first, what you want to do is head over to lumalabs.ai. So this is the official website of Luma AI. From here, click on Try Now, and you'll now be redirected right here after signing up or logging into your account. Now click on Start a Board. So as you can see, we have now the text prompt right here. So now you want to upload your image. So as you can see, this is the image that I have uploaded. So if you want to make this image a video, just click right here and select videos. Now what you want to do next is create a prompt. So make this image a moving video. Now click on enter. So just wait until Luma AI generates your video. So this may take a while. This is because I'm only using the free version. So as you can see, we are now in queue. So I think this will take a really while. But you get the gist of it. So that's basically it. As you can see, so that's basically it for this video. So just generate a video for yourself and wait until Luma generates yours. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.